I'm Amirah Kassem of Flower Shop and now also Hall Pass. Hall Pass is my latest creation. It is an ice cream shop located in Los Angeles. It's everything you loved as a child, but a little bit elevated. Today I'm gonna walk you guys through my house so you can get a little sense of where all the inspiration comes from for all of my creations. It is colors, rainbows, sprinkles, smiles, glitter, and anything fun. My favorite piece in the living room has to be this rug. Because the rug is so loud and colorful, I wanted to tone down and ground the space with my fireplace using a matchbook stone. And I just love how the natural white in it is giving me a little bit of a flame vibe. I also chose this table because you can see straight through to the rug, and I feel like that is my focal point here. I wanted to offset the white of the couch with these chairs here, and they're amazing because the Lucite kind of ties in with letting me see the rug again. So I guess a lot of what was designed here was about the rug being able to be the focal point. Welcome to the playroom. This is, I think, the most fun room in my house, and I was looking at different wallpapers, different textures, and I decided this is a fun space. I need to paint it myself, and no matter what I put in here, it kind of goes because it's colorful. While it's chaos and toys at all times, I did like to sort of keep it in these color-coded bins. So no matter how young your kids are, color association is a great way to keep them organized. Before we go to my daughter's room, I wanted to introduce you to Zippy the Bear. This is our cuddle buddy, and we love snuggling him. This is my daughter Coco's room, and most of the pieces in here are from my Pottery Barn Kids collection for Flower Shop. So this rug I designed, the wallpaper, the bedding, everything is part of Flower Shop, and she wanted a 2-story house. I would call the bottom her bed and the top her cozy corner because she keeps anything soft and cuddly up here. I wanted my bedroom to feel a little bit more calm and still colorful, but maybe a little more jewel tone mixed with a little peach. Since I already was making the bed, of course, it's the shape of a rainbow, but still keeping it in just that warm, cozy green color. I wanted to bring in a little bit of the nature that I see outside, a little bit of green from the leaves, the textures of the rattan, warm everything up. Even these little guys kind of remind me of palm trees, I don't know. So this is where I spend all my time getting ready. When I designed this closet, I wanted it to be highly functional. So I wanted my bags to be enclosed. I have my, I guess it's a shoe wall, but I call it more of a sneaker wall because I mostly wear Vans. But my clothes I am obsessed with. I love sequins and sparkles so much, as you can see, that I put them inside my cakes. Let's go find one. Last but not least, one of my favorite rooms is the heart of the home, the kitchen. I designed this space to have people gathered around it at all times. This is my favorite piece. I feel like it's art in the home. It ties perfectly for my Barbie dream house. The lights in the kitchen are pink, and we'll just call this my room. Growing up in Mexico, I was obsessed with piñatas, so I created the rainbow explosion cake. Unlike every piñata, we have a surprise inside. Thanks for coming over to have some cake with me. I hope you had as much fun as I did, and I hope I inspired you to live every day like it's your birthday.
Well, that was so much fun, but the fun doesn't have to end here. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for the best open house has to offer.